Hi, today's Squardle is 22nd of April. I've just loaded a Wordle up. For some reason, my face wasn't on it, which is probably better, to be honest with you. Anyway, today's Squardle started with crane on the Wordle. I'll start with crane on this one. We got a C in the top. We got an N either in that place or that place. Well, I suppose let's try crane by there. That's the ends in there. There's no E by here, so we need to do a different word. I should think. I always think with an N, it's either going to end in a D or an E or G. So I need a word without an E, and I need to stop humming to myself. I'm sorry if that puts you off. Madam. Oops. Just to see if it ends in a D. So, right, we've got an M along the bottom. We've got a C along the top. The C isn't in the first or the second or the third line. It could end in a C. I think we had stoic yesterday. Tunic, but the N isn't on the top line. Plenty of words for C in the second letter. Saying that, there's no A-R-O-E. And I could think of scram, scream, scold. Right, well, that was a lucky guess. I got the first one, I've got a bonus guess, I got an O over there. That starts with an O as well. There's no D. So O-U, no, it can't be ounce. There's no R in it, there's no A. It could end ing. That could be something. It can't be onion because there's no N by there. There's a D. There's an M across the bottom. The only word I can think of that would fit in with an ing is owing. I can't think of anything else. I can't think of anything else. Oops. Owing. And I've got that one. That's two lucky guesses. We're going down the bottom but here. There's no A in it. So it's got to be D-I-G. Digger? No. Dodgy. Doug. I can't think of anything. And somewhere along the bottom, got an M somewhere along the bottom. There's no A, there's no E, so it's probably going to be an O. That could be, it can't be onion because there's no N's. Oh, there was oxide yesterday, wasn't there? But there's no E but there. Right, okay, digit would fit. That's got two eyes. Digit is in. Right, that's going to be something similar to digit, but it's got an M in it. Emit, remit, bimit, simit, dimit, limit. That's limit. It's got to be limit in there with an M. Alright, and there's an L there actually, which I didn't see, so I would have made it quite easier. So that ends in an L. There's stool. Could be stool. No, but the L is right. So that's going to end in an M. O something I something M. Opium. Opium. Right, okay. Yes, opium's right. And that jumps my guesses back up to 7. There's no C, there's no T, there's no L. Oh, it could, so, oh no, it can't be an over there. Spoil. S-P-O-I-L. Spoil there is. That's Squardle. 6 minutes again. Always seem to be doing these around the 6-minute mark. Hopefully this one's recorded okay. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like, and thank you for watching. Good night.